You Give a Dog a Ball by Alyssa Marty. This book is based off of the story If You Give a Mouse a Cookie by Laura Numeroff. If you give a dog a ball, she's going to want to play fetch with it. So you will have to throw the ball for her several times while she goes and gets it and returns it to you. If you play fetch with her, then she's probably going to get tired and thirsty. When she gets thirsty, she is going to need a bowl of water, so you'll probably have to fill up a bowl of water to give her. After she drinks her water, she will probably remember that she is tired. When she remembers that she is tired, she will probably want to go lay down, so you will probably let her lay in her favorite spot on the couch. When she lays down, she will probably ask for her teddy bear. When you give her the teddy bear, she will probably want you to cuddle with her on the couch, so you will probably both take a nap. After the nap, she will probably ask you outside to go to the bathroom. When you take her outside, she will probably want to play with the ball.